Guys, so if your magic mouse is not working, it's freezing constantly, then here is the fix. So the very first fix is try to reset magic mouse, just turn it around, okay, and if it is on, just turn it off by sliding the slider so that it doesn't look green. And now after that, turn it back on again. Okay, wait for a few seconds and turn it back on again, and your mouse will be reset. The second thing is try to clean the sensor. Okay, so try to clean the sensor by compressed air gently, okay, by holding it down like this so that any dirt or debris comes out from it. Try to clean it from a clean microfiber cloth. Okay, maybe some sticky things has got stuck, some dirt and debris has got stuck into your mouse. Now this is the second thing. This does not work for you, then let's try another fixes. Just click on this Apple menu and click on system settings, and here just go to displays from the left menu and just click on advanced, and now just turn this off. Allow your pointers and keyboard to move between any nearby Mac or iPad. Turn this off, okay, and click on done. So this if this fixes your issue, then it's okay. If it doesn't, just go to mouse again, click on mouse from the left menu, and now click on advanced, turn off pointer acceleration and turn off smart zoom, and then try and see whether your issue gets resolved or not. Thanks for watching. Please do like,